Hello everybody, today I want to give a brief review about the AeeDEA's custom side panniers for Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 2024. So AeeDEA did a fantastic job with the paintwork matching the color of the bike. So coming to the installation difficulty level, so the bike mechanic told me it's like between easy to moderate. It's not that difficult. It's all easy, straightforward mounting here. Whatever the instructions AeeDEA provided, it works. So let's start this bike and check the indicator lights. So I ordered with the LEDs. These are detachable side panniers. Fine, fantastic. And let's take a brief look inside. Yeah, so it is excellent work with the fitting, painting, fixing the LEDs and everything.